Hi, Jamie Flores with the Law Offices of Nemeth. Today I'm going to go over a CP 2000. So the letter notice is on the top left part of this notice. And what is a CP 2000? So these go out every year. They usually go out 2 years after the tax return was filed. So right now we're seeing CP 2000s that are coming out right now for about 2022. Sometimes we're seeing 2021, but generally right now it's for 2022. All this notice is, it's a serious notice. Do not just throw it in the trash, okay? Because if you don't respond to this notice, the IRS is going to continue on with an assessment. So this one is not a bill, and it tells you, hey, this is not a bill. Just there is something that's incorrect on the tax return that you filed that's different than what was reported underneath your social security number or EIN number to the IRS. And so it's going to go over the proposal of what those differences are. What generally are they? So a lot of times it is going to be a home sale that you failed to report. It's going to be a retirement distribution or an IRA withdrawal. It could be stock exchanges. It could be just income that you failed to report on your tax return, or a mismatch of a number of income on your tax return. There are a lot of different reasons you would get a CP 2000, so don't panic. It just probably needs a response. This notice, and it's usually about 7 or 8 pages, you have the option to agree or disagree with these changes, sign the response form, and mail it back in with documentation as to what you're disagreeing with. You would then attach either an amended return in response to the CP 2000 with the changes that should have been on the original return, or you would just attach whatever schedules are needed in order to fix the changes. If you agree with the changes because you just happen to leave off maybe some 1099 income that you don't have any expenses for, then just agree and move on, and then you'll get a bill usually in about 30-45 days, and then you need to or make arrangements to pay that bill. But this is a mismatch of information that you reported to the IRS. They want to go in and fix it. If you fail to respond, they will send you a notice of determination, and then you will get a bill. But you do have rights to appeal their decisions. And it's also going to break down the penalties, the interest, and reasonable cause penalty abatement for the penalties. If you underreported by a certain percentage of your income, then you're also going to get the accuracy related penalty, which is a lot of money. So if you need help, give us a call.